So, a couple weekends ago, my friends and I decided to host a good old-fashioned potluck. You know, the kind where everyone brings a dish and you end up with a weird mix of casseroles and someone's experimental quinoa salad. We made a group chat to coordinate, but as usual, everyone responded with "I'll surprise you." Which is basically code for "I'll forget until the last minute and bring whatever's left at the grocery store." I figured it'd be fine. I mean, how many different things could people possibly bring? The day of the potluck arrives, and as people start showing up, I notice something odd. The first friend, Sarah, walks in carrying a bowl of mashed potatoes. Nice, classic choice. Then Tom arrives, also with mashed potatoes. Followed by Rachel. And then Mike. And then, you guessed it, my cousin Dave, with a Tupperware container full of, you guessed it again, mashed potatoes. By the time everyone had arrived, we had 8 bowls of mashed potatoes and nothing else. There was enough starch on the table to glue a kindergarten class to the ceiling. At first, there was a weird silence as we all stared at the mountain of creamy, buttery, potato goodness, wondering what to do. Maybe we can do a mashed potato tasting flight? Someone suggested. But then Tom, who's always had a flair for the dramatic, and, apparently, for competitive sculpting, declared, "Let's make this interesting. Mashed potato sculpture contest. Winner gets the last clean plate." Suddenly, it was on. We had people sculpting everything from mashed potato Eiffel Towers to a very avant-garde interpretation of the Sphinx. My personal favorite was Rachel's potato Picasso, which mostly just looked like a pile but with a lot of artistic confidence. After a heated round of judging, and exactly one fork-related mishap, we picked a winner, Dave, who sculpted a disturbingly accurate crown out of chive-studded mash. As the rest of us applauded and tried to ignore the carb coma settling in, I realized we'd just made history. It was the first time in history that the winner was crowned King of the Spuds.